Good morning students. Welcome to our YouTube channel of Jnanmanjari Modern School. Myself Rachna Shukla welcomes you all. Today we are going to start with subject Maths of Standard 8 and our ongoing chapter is lesson number 8, lesson number 2 exponents. Now in the first 3 part we have learned about what is the meaning of exponent, how to simplify or evaluate the powers of the exponents. Then we learned the laws of the exponent, that is of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now this is almost our last part of the chapter exponents, and in this we will see some hard sums of simplification. So starting with the multiplication and starting with the example, and that is example 18 of your textbook. Example 18 of your textbook. The question is, first I am writing the question, then I will explain you. This is A, this is B, C question, 3/2 whole raised to 2 whole raised to minus 2, and D, now this is question number 18, that is example 18 of your textbook, and we have 4 sub questions A, B, C, D in example 18. So you will write your example in your example book. So this example 18 will go in your example book. Starting with this 18. 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3. So according to the law, you will multiply both the powers. So 3 raised to 2 3s are 6 is equal to 3 raised to 6. Your answer is 3 raised to 6. Then comes this again, multiply the power 2/3 raised to 2 into 2, that is 2/3 whole raised to 4. Then evaluate it, means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16, and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 81. Your answer is 16/81. Now this one, 3/2 whole to the power 2 whole to the power minus 2. Then 3/2, this 2 will be multiplied. 2 into minus 2. What will be 2 into minus 2? That means 3/2, 2 2s are 4 but minus 4. What will be your answer? Minus 4. If we want to change this power into positive, you have to make the number reciprocal. What you have to do? Reciprocal the number. That means you will get 2/3 to the power 4. Why 2/3 to the power 4? Because you have to change the sign of the power. So reciprocal this number and this will become positive. Now evaluate 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 upon 4 times 3, that will be, your answer will be 16/81. Now this sum, 3/2 raised to minus 2 whole raised to minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4. 3/2 raised to 4. 2 2s are 4 and minus minus plus. Now multiply, and your answer is 81/16. You will get your answer as 81/16. Now let's see example 19. Your example 19 is 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. Then B1 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2 into 4 upon 5 to the power 2. Now let's first solve these two sums. Look here, the bases are different but the powers are same. You can see here different bases but same power. So 3 into 2 whole to the power 4. We will take the common power as 4. So 3 2s are 6 to the power 4. Now you have to multiply 6 4 times and you will get one answer. So write down your answer by yourself multiplying 6 4 times. Now again the same sum, 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2 into 4 upon 5 to the power 2. Here it's minus 2, here it's 2. So first we will make the powers same. You can see that here both the powers are different. So first make the powers same. That means if you reciprocal the number, you will get 3 upon 2 to the power 2 into 4 upon 5 to the power 2. Look here once again, 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2. We have to make this minus 2 as plus 2. So reciprocal this number. That means it will become 3 upon 2 to the power 2. Now taking 2 as common, 3 upon 2 into 4 upon 5 whole raised to 2. Cut it, 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6 upon 5 whole to the power 2. Now evaluate 6 into 6 upon 5 into 5 and note down your answer, that is 36 upon 25. Your answer will be 6 6 are 36 upon 5 5 are 25. Now the next sum, C number of example 19. Minus 2 upon 3 whole to the power minus 3 into 1 upon 4 whole to the power minus 3. Same powers minus 3 and minus 3 but the bases are different. So minus 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 4 whole to the power minus 3. Now you have to cut 2 2s are, so you will get 3 2s are 6 but minus 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6 is your answer raised to minus 3. Now if we want to change this sign into positive, you have to make this reciprocal. So reciprocal is minus 6 whole raised to 3. This became positive and this we have reciprocal. Now multiply 3 times minus 6, that will be minus 216. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus 216 is your answer. Now D number of example 19. And that is minus 1 upon 3 whole to the power 3 into minus 1 upon 2 whole to the power 3. See here, the bases are different but we have same powers. So directly multiply the bases. Whole to the power 3. 1 1s are 1, minus minus plus 1, 3 2s are 6, 1 upon 6 to the power 3. Now you have to evaluate. That means 1 into 1 into 1 upon 6 into 6 into 6. That is 1 upon 216. 1 upon 216 is your answer. Now coming to the next sum, that is example 20 of your textbook. Please note down all these examples in your example book. Example 20. It's 2 upon 3 whole to the power 4 divided by 1 upon 3 whole to the power 4. Now in this case, again the bases are different, but you have the same powers. So 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 3 whole to the power 4. This is your first step. Divide both these things and put the power as common here. Now what to do? You have studied the rule that the division sign can be changed into the multiplication sign, and if we change the multiplication sign, then the number next after that number will be reciprocal. 2 upon 3 multiply by 3 upon 1. 3 cut, and your answer will be 2 upon 1 whole to the power 4. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and that is 16. Your answer is 16. Now let's see another sum. It's 20b. Now 20b, the question is minus 3 upon 8 whole to the power 3 divided by 9 upon 4 whole to the power 3. So the question, the bases are different and the same powers. So again minus 3 upon 8 divided by 9 upon 4 and the same powers as common, that is 3. Now divide, but we don't have to divide actually, we will multiply, put here multiply sign, and if we put here multiply sign, this number will be reciprocal, that is 4 upon 9 whole to the power 3. Now do cutting, 4 2s are 8 and 3 3s are 9. So here in the numerator place nothing is left, that is minus 1 upon down denominator place 2 into 3, that is 6, minus 1 upon 6 whole to the power 3. Now what to do? Now you have to evaluate the thing. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 upon 6 into 6 into 6, that is minus 1 upon 216 is your answer of 20b. Now next one, that is 20c. Your question is minus 1 upon 4 whole to the power 4 divided by minus 1 upon 2 whole to the power 4. Solving this sum, the different bases and the same powers. So minus 1 upon 4 divided by minus 1 upon 2 whole to the power 4, like this way. The next step is minus 1 upon 4 multiply. Your divide sign will be changed in multiply, and reciprocal the number, that is minus 2 upon 1 to the power 4. Now cutting, so 1 cut and 2 2s are 4. So numerator place nothing is left, that is 1, and down it's 2, minus minus will be plus, so your number will be positive, that is 1 upon 2 whole to the power 4. Now you have to evaluate the number, that is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 and 2 4 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means you will get your answer as 1 upon 16. This is your answer. Now let's see example 21. Example 21. Look here carefully. Question is 2 upon 3 whole to the power 2 to the power 3 into 1 upon 3 to the power minus 4 into 3 to the power minus 1 into 1 upon 6. So, first we will solve this thing. 2 upon 3 whole to the power 3 2s are 6 into, we will reciprocal this number to make the power positive, that will be 3 to the power 4. Again reciprocal this number to make the power positive, that is 1 upon 3. That means 1 will become positive here and 1 upon 6, like this way. Now evaluate this thing. That means 2 upon 3, 2 to the power 6 and 3 to the power 6 into 3 raised to 4 into 1 upon 3, and expand this number, that is 6 means 2 3s are 6. Okay, so here also 1, here also 1. Now, first starting with this 2, here it's numerator place 2 to the power 6 and here it's 2 to the power 1. These numbers will be subtracted. So, 2 to the power 6 minus 1 into, up it's nothing, so 3 to the power 4, and down 3 to the power 6 plus, here it's nothing, so 1, and here it's 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4 upon 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8, 3 to the power 8. Now these both numbers will be subtracted. I am doing here, so continue the sum here. To the power 5 into 3 to the power 4 minus 8. So, 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power minus 4. What will be your answer? 3 to the power minus 4. Then you have to evaluate. For making this number positive, you have to make that reciprocal, that is 1 upon 3 to the power 4. Now this has become positive due to the reciprocal of this number. So 2 raised to 5 upon 3 raised to 4. If you want to evaluate the number 4 and 5 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 32 upon 81 is your final answer. Please copy the sum in your example book. Example 22. In example 22, you can see that the question is find x so that 2 upon 3 whole to the power minus 5 into 2 upon 3 whole to the power minus 11 is equal to 2 upon 3 raised to 8x. Now what is the meaning of this thing? You have to find this x. What is x? So your question is 2 upon 3 to the power minus 5 into 2 upon 3 to the power minus 11 is equal to 2 upon 3 whole to the power 8x. Now you have to find this x, and that x is with the multiplication of 8 multiplied by x. So what is the value of x? So let's solve first LH side. LH side 2 upon 3 to the power minus 5. The both things are same. So you will directly add the things. The powers will be added, minus 5 plus minus 11, because you have the same basis, and that is 2 upon 3 minus minus plus, but your sign will be negative. Remember, minus minus plus, that is 16, but minus 16. Why minus 16? Because you have negative sign. Now 2 upon 3 to the power minus 16. So here coming to the RHS side, 2 upon 3 to the power minus 16. If we want to take out minus 16, that is 8x is equal to minus 16. Therefore x is equal to minus 16 upon 8. Therefore x is equal to minus 2. What is the value of x? X is minus 2. You have got the answer. Now example 23 you will do by yourself. It's very easy. I am starting with a new topic of this chapter. We are going to start the standard form. And standard form is also very easy. See, standard form of the numbers. In standard form, suppose a number is given like this way. So, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, this number can be written as 5 into 'This number first you have to elaborate and write like this way. Then you can also write as 10 to the power 9. Why 10 to the power 9? Because you have 9 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the short form, if you don't want to write the number, this is the standard form of the number, that is 5 into 10 to the power 9. Again one more sum. The opposite of this 0 point after 0 point there are 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then it's 5. So if you want to write like this way, it will be 5 upon 9 zeros. Why 9 zeros? Because total actually there are 9 zeros. 8 zeros here, then decimal point and then 0. So 5 upon, that means 5 upon 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, and after that it will be going on like that way. So you have to write that much zeros here. Then what will be 5 into 1 upon 10 raised to 9. See, 5 will be at the numerator place into 1 upon, that is upon 10 raised to 9. Why 10 raised to 9? Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 raised to 9. And that will be your 5 into 10 to the power 9. Now how this came 10 to the power 9? When you make this thing up, the sign will be negative. Means when you reciprocal this number, you will get your negative sign. Let's show me first that. See, if we want to make this number negative, then 5 into 10 to the power minus 9. Why minus 9? Because the zeros are before the 5 places. They are going on the left hand side. So it will come minus 9. And when zeros are going to the right hand side of the number, it will be plus 9. Here it will be minus 9. This is the difference between two numbers. Again, look here. 5, after that 5 there are 9 zeros. So first evaluate that, expand that. 5 into 9 zeros 1, then 5 into 10 to the power 9. Why 10 to the power 9? Because there are 9 zeros here. So 10 to the power 9. But why here minus 9? Because the zeros are before 5, before the number. So 5 into 10 to the power 9. So this was all about the standard form of a number. Only two methods are there. One is the numbers, the zeros after 5, and the other is the zeros before 5. There is not much difference. You will get here positive power and here you will get negative power. Now it's time for your homework. Complete all the examples in your example book, that is example homework, example 18 to 23 in your example book, and exercise 2B, question number 3 to 8. Exercise 2B, question 3 to 8 you will complete, and exercise 2C, question number 2. Your first question is cancelled. So exercise 2C, question number 2, exercise 2B, question 3 to 8, and all the examples in your example book. With this we have completed chapter number 2, that is exponents. Now we will meet with a new chapter in a new session. Till then, bye bye and thank you.